Merry Christmas, baby.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. My name is Nicole. I'm a baby, and it's Christmas. And I'm gonna sleep in. Huh? I'm a baby.
Stop. Stop.
You don't want to see what Santa gave you?
What?
You don't want to see what Santa gave you?
What?
I don't know. Go see.
Did he give me a computer?
I don't know. You want to go see what Santa gave you?
Okay.
Huh? Come on, let's go see. Let's go see what Santa gave you.
Wait.
Huh?
Okay.
Come on, let's go see what Santa gave you.
No.
Oh, what's that over there? Hmm? What's that over there? Oh, look, Santa made a mess. Santa made a mess.
Santa made a mess.
Yeah, see, Santa, don't make a mess. Yeah. See, you're making Nicole pick up after you, Santa. Huh? See, why you make a mess, Santa?
It looks like your handwriting.
No, that's not my handwriting. We don't even have that wrapping paper.
It looks like Mommy's handwriting.
No, Mommy doesn't write like that.
Can I open it?
Yeah, it's Christmas. Of course you can. Oh, that's nice.
I wonder what Santa gave to Alex.
No, you let Alex open it. You like it? Let me see it.
It
Let me
says
see your
like,
present. You want to wear it now?
No.
No?
This looks like a book.
I don't know. Come on, Nicole.
Yeah.
Okay, hang on.